Are you ready to immerse yourself in some of the most enchanting Turkish dramas that have recently graced our screens? If you're new to Turkish series, don't worry. These captivating stories are available with English subtitles. So, let's embark on this romantic journey together. 9. Güzlü Aşklar Diyarı, Land of Beautiful Love. Set in a picturesque town, this series weaves multiple love stories, each showcasing the beauty and challenges of romance. From young love to rekindled flames, Güzlü Aşklar Diyarı captures the essence of passion in its many forms. Which love story will resonate with you the most? Experience the magic of love in its purest form. Watch this drama and get enchanted. 10. Gizli Saklı, Double Duty. Two undercover agents, each unaware of the other's true identity, embark on a mission that brings them closer than they anticipated. As their professional facade gives way to genuine emotions, they must navigate the thin line between duty and desire. Will their secrets drive them apart or bind them together? Love, secrets, and a thrilling mission. Dive into this intriguing tale now. 11. Kalpajna. In a world where deception is the norm, a master forger finds an unexpected muse in an honest woman. Their worlds collide, leading to a romance built on shaky grounds. As truths unravel, can their love survive the ultimate test of authenticity? What happens when lies and love intertwine? Watch this drama to find out. 12. Kara Dut, Blackberry. Set in a quaint village, Kara Dut tells the tale of forbidden love amidst societal expectations. As two lovers defy the norms to be together, they face trials that test their commitment. Will their love be strong enough to withstand the pressures around them? Defying society for love, is it worth it? Watch and decide for yourself. 13. Kor Nokta, Blind Point. Kor Nokta delves into the intricacies of love and perception. When two individuals with contrasting outlooks on life meet, their preconceived notions are challenged. As they confront their own blind points, will they find common ground and let love in? Sometimes, love is found where we least expect it. Discover this journey now. 14. Bir Gece Masal, A Night Story. In the heart of Istanbul, two souls from disparate worlds cross paths one fateful night. Their chance meeting sparks a profound connection, leading them on a journey filled with love, challenges, and self-discovery. Can a single night change the course of their lives forever? A single night, a lifetime of change. Watch to witness a love story unfold. 15. Hayat, Aşk, Adalet, Leela. Life, love, justice, Leela. Leela's journey is one of resilience and passion. Navigating the challenges of life, love, and the quest for justice, she finds herself entangled in a romance that tests her values and beliefs. As obstacles arise, will Leela's love endure, or will the pursuit of justice take precedence? When love and justice collide, which path will Leela choose? Find out in this gripping drama. 16. Ayaz Sonu Guns, Here Comes the Sun. Guns, a recent university graduate, is on the brink of pursuing her dreams in London. However, her world turns upside down when her brother is unjustly imprisoned. Determined to clear his name, Guns infiltrates the life of Ayaz, whom she believes is responsible for her brother's plight. As she grapples with her mission, an unexpected romance blossoms. Caught between love and revenge, will Guns's heart lead her to forgiveness or retribution? Revenge or love? Watch this intense story and decide what matters most. 17. Siyah Kalp, Black Heart. Set against the mesmerizing backdrop of Cappadocia, Siyah Kalp intertwines family secrets, love, revenge, and passion. The narrative delves deep into the complexities of relationships, where hidden truths come to light, challenging the bonds between characters. As the story unfolds, viewers are left pondering, will love prevail over vengeance? A story of passion, betrayal, and redemption. Watch now to uncover the truth. These dramas offer a rich tapestry of romance, challenges, and heartfelt moments. If you've watched any of these series or have other recommendations, We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please share your favorites in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of Turkish dramas.